Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Woo! And today, I came home from my friend's house and my mom is asleep in my bed. I have now recorded 5 times and my camera has shut it off. So I am pissed right now. I'm not in Christmas jammies because I get too hot and so yes, I just have these leggings on with this. But yeah, I put candy canes on the tree. I'm not gonna vlog all that because I'm not in the mood right now. I have vlogged this segment for like, I've been trying to vlog this for literally, I don't even know, an hour and a half. No, my camera keeps shutting off and I don't understand why. And I get interrupted, it's my family talking and calls and oh my god. Whatever. Yeah. Alright. Favorite things about Christmas. We're gonna do that. Favorite thing about Christmas, it's not about the presents. I love that it's about Jesus and just spending time with family. Favorite color, coral and teal. Favorite. Also, comment down below some Q&A questions. Let's see what else. I don't know any more questions, but I'm gonna go show you these candy canes and lights. Tell you a bit of backstory about them. Been trying to vlog for like 30 minutes, so I'm not gonna tell the backstory on this. I literally vlogged myself putting candy canes on the tree, so pretty. I put a present under there. So yeah, sorry if you hear this. I had actually originally had lights hanging here, but my mom took them down because she didn't like them, and I'm really mad because it took me like an hour and a half to put them up because I'm no pro at it. We actually bought this tree like years ago and the lights were just on it and I just kind of lit it up, so dope. We're not even 3 minutes in the video and I'm already frustrated because I've had to record this. I'm sorry for complaining, but I'm so pissed right now. Also, I don't like where those stockings are hanging. Also, the pets that have died, their stockings are just hanging on the tree, so we had a chihuahua named Chula, and then the ones that are not dead, we hang them over here. Fancy, Bella, my dog, and my cat. Okay. I'm gonna put on a Christmas movie later, maybe vlog. I might live stream though. That way people can actually come on. I'm getting oat milk cream pie. They look disgusting, don't they? They're bomb. Try them before you judge. I'm gonna go in my room, drink Dr. Pepper, and eat this because I'm gonna be fat. Anyways. I'm here.
Actually, there is no fun. I just don't like it.
Nice to meet you.
I found this wallet in the woods. It has
So I'm gonna eat.
fin on the other and baloney in the middle. Any idea fin is?
No, absolutely no idea. Wallet. Oh, good. Oh, my balloon is here.
Okay. I'm gonna eat and talk. Okay. I'm gonna start off with a few questions. I'm gonna do 5 questions and I'm gonna end this vlog. Okay. First question. And it has to be about like family related, Christmas, anything. Okay. If you had alright, I'm just gonna come up with these questions. Comment down below what you would do and I'm gonna tell you guys. Comment down below also what questions I should answer to you guys, because I think tomorrow, if I have some time, I'm going to vlog. I'm gonna vlog. Actually, I'm gonna live stream for like an hour. No, probably not an hour. Probably like 5 minutes. Sorry, my vlogs have been really short. I just have nothing planned. Nothing. So yeah. And me just shutting off the camera and not even doing an outro. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm so sorry. But my mom calls me and then it ruins the video and then I forget about it and then my phone dies. So yeah. Okay, anyways. Oh, back to the question. If you had, and I'm just gonna ask these questions, but once again, comment down below questions for me to answer. If you could name your baby girl or baby boy, okay, if you had 2 kids, a girl and a boy, what would you name them? If I had a girl, I would name her Evie Lorraine Kahn, or Elizabeth Lorraine Kahn, or Lizzie. Lizzie, I like the name Lizzie. Or Kayla, or Michaela. Something like that. Something that kind of rhymes with mine. If I had a boy, Michael, or Kyrie. Like Kyrie. And no, not the basketball player. Not him. Okay, but yeah, that's what I named them. Favorite soda? I don't really have one. I like all kinds of sodas. But my favorite thing to drink is water. Be healthy. Trying to be healthy, and yet again, I have Big Red sitting on my table. Okay, anyways, I don't know. Okay, sorry. But anyways, I don't know. Maybe favorite candy, lollipops. I don't know, I don't really like lollipops. Sorry. But I don't know, I like lollipops, but I kinda like Swedish Fish. I like all kinds of candy. I'm not a big fan of chocolate. I like it, I just don't like Hershey's. Like, cookies and cream. Cookies and cream Hershey. Yep. Favorite. I'm gonna answer Swedish Fish. Talking about fish. I only have a few more fish left. My beta, which has to be alone, or it's gonna kill the other fast. And then I have. I'm covering up. I have not cleaned this in a while. Please don't judge me. I have Star, my little. She's a. She's. Okay, get it out, Kaylee. Oh my God, she's goldfish. There. This one back here, my white fish right here, is a tetra. That is Selena. And my beta fish is Buddy. So yeah. So I have a tetra and a goldfish and just a beta. I'm not going to spend so much money on fish when they keep dying. So as soon as these 2 die in this tank, I'm just going to get rid of this tank. My beta, as soon as he dies, I'm just going to stop buying fish and forget it. The whole way this started is because I went to the fair and I got a little fish and I freaked out. I didn't want it to die, and obviously they're known for dying. But my sister's had one for a year now from the fair and it's still alive. It's like this big. Let's see, I'm gonna think of something. Sorry if you see me just sitting here, it's probably boring. Favorite slime. Favorite type of slime. Like crunchy, regular, fluffy. I personally like fluffy, but I like pigmented. Depending on what kind of beads you put, I like crunchy slime. Love regular slime, I'm sure everybody does. Boring, but fun. Speaking of slime, I have some right here. I think I'm gonna eat one more bite of this and take a drink or so, and then I'm gonna show you guys some slimes. Okay. Sorry, I was about to spit everywhere. But no promos. No for brand deals. Don't drink Big Red. Not good for you. Soda. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna show you two slimes. Also because that's the only slimes that I have currently. I have to stock up on more, but I'm not gonna worry about selling slime right now. Once Christmas is coming, I'll probably get a gallon of glue and stuff. Okay, don't look at my fatness, like I said. This is just a regular slime. Also, none of you commented on my video of like which way I should record slime. I personally like up top where I can like actually just play with it like this, and you guys be up here actually seeing it. But for now, I'm gonna do it like this because my camera's not turned around, and I can't turn it around because it won't turn around because I'm recording with the phone. Okay, so let's do some ASMR. Okay, this slime is actually medium size. My other slime that I'm going to show you, it's super tiny. Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh, never mind. But anyways, here you go. I'm going to be quiet now. Sorry if you can't hear it so good, my fish tank. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna actually recolor it and put something in it. I don't know what I'm gonna put yet. Okay, I'm gonna turn it into like, I want to turn this into cloud slime. Oh, yeah, I love cloud slime too. But I don't have any, what's it called? Oh my god, I forgot what it's called. Flippers. I don't have any insert stuff there. I'm going to use some food coloring. Blue food coloring and see if that works. If that doesn't, I don't know what will. I'm just going to use these. These are like $15. Like, I swear. A 4-pack of these is so much. Like, there's so much. So, I just use paint instead because it's 2 for 89 cents. I mean, 2 for 99 cents at Walmart. So, I'd rather get something cheaper and better than paying $15 flippin' for 1 pack of food coloring that will last me like a week. Okay, that did absolutely nothing. That did not change the color. Okay. I'm gonna try some hair gel. Like, actually, this is shower gel, but this one is actually kind of hard. So I'm gonna use some, and I'm gonna grab paint. And this blue paint that I'm gonna try. Okay, so I'm gonna mix the two. I'm thinking I should have did it into a swirl. Why? Okay, I'm gonna mix this in, put it into a swirl, and then I'm gonna put this stuff in. Okay, let me mix this really quick. And this actually makes it like super, super chunky. But then you can, like, actually, it doesn't make it chunky. It's just, it makes it like stringy for a minute, and then once you mix it all, it's fine. And it smells amazing. It's actually boys because I stole my brother's. I didn't even use it. He don't live here, so. And women don't have shower gel. Can you believe that? But anyways. Here we go. Okay, swirl is complete. Now I'm gonna put both. Okay. Hair gel's in. And I feel like paint mixes better with something liquidy on the slime. So yeah, I got some of that.
Bring it back. You ready?
Oh my god. People are being super loud. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will finish this later. I have to do some stuff. Make sure to click like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye, guys.